Welcome everyone to MERASALON Business App 6 tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to create appointments for your clients. To do this, click on the appointment section. As soon as we click here, this screen will appear in front of us. Below, we can see the button to create an appointment. Here, first, we will select the date. After that, we will also select the time, at what time they are coming. After that, click on Done. Here, we will add the client's mobile number and their name. Here, there is an option for a note. If we want to write some notes, we can write, such as if they have some allergy on their skin, or if they use a specific brand, or some personal information about what they like or dislike. These notes are only for our reference. After that, select each service and add it. Here, we can see the appointment we added is shown here. We can see in the upcoming section whose appointment is scheduled for the upcoming days. In the next video, we will learn how to enter staff attendance. Thank you for staying connected with us.